What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the Powerstroke YouTube channel. We got the 17 in the shop, 350. Hood's popped. You already know something's going down here. I got some copper parts behind me, painted and powder coated parts. So we are doing the 17 to 19 SPE Motorsport full piping kit, intercooler piping kit install video. Actually, I take that back. We're not doing a full install video. We're kind of just gonna walk through a few things because I have the install on my 2015 already. So I'm gonna show you guys what's going on in here in the operation, and I'm gonna show you guys the parts we got. And yeah, as always, it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and like, share, and yeah, sore dick, can't beat it.
I beat my sore dick.
Yeah, baby. So welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. So, quick walk around, quick reach around. SPE full intercooler piping kit. Trans copper, powder coated. It's not the greatest powder coat, but that's what happens when you got a powder coater like I got. And love you, Anthony. Intake, painted. Have you guys ever seen a intake, plastic intake, color match painted? I don't know. Let me know below, but we're trying it out. All your boots and everything over here. We are throwing a Big Dick Larry Hoover SPE open filter on it because I am running the S&B one right now, but we're gonna ditch the S&B and yeah, we're gonna get rid of all this jazz up here as you guys have seen before. We're gonna dress it up. Also, paint match, SPE, billet, battery hold downs, gang, praise God. What?
Who's doing all that paint work?
Oh, Dave at 4 Wheel Customs and Collision. Yo, washer fluid thing. Yo, what's he doing back here? Yo, what y'all think about that, huh? Y'all gonna be looking for a copper handle at the pump, huh? Good luck with that, baby. I can't help myself, y'all. I can't. So yeah, guys, we're taking this off. Obviously, cold side pipe, all the stock intake, everything up there. So we're gonna show you the snazzle dazzle here when we're done. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go and do another video about this because I hope somebody likes this because this is different. Painting an intake. Y'all ever done that? Check it out. Guys, stop. Hold the phone. Is this a first? Am I gonna go viral? Probably not. Intake for your truck, S&B, SP, whatever, it comes black, right? We color matched it, copper. It doesn't have to be copper, but that's what I went with. Have you guys ever done something like this before? Will it hold up? Will it suck air in any differently? I don't know, but color matched intake, cold air intake. I don't know what this thing's called. What do you guys think? SPE, of course. None other than the best. Chance Daddy, I love you. So, yeah. All right, guys, look how we're looking now. So, S&B intake, obviously I took that off because I did have it on. And technically the 17 and 19, you guys know the intake goes over here. So we're not doing that. We're keeping it obviously the S&B style, running off, coming down this way. That's off. Cold side pipe is off. Excuse me. You guys got these little clips right here. Same with on the hot side in there. There's that little clip. I just use a flat blade screwdriver, get in there, pry it out. So that's off. That's off. Now we're gonna take all these guys off. You got all these bolts. You got the dipstick tubes you gotta unbolt as well. They come with a bracket for that. I'm taking this whole big monstrosity of a manifold block off. Won't be needing that. What else am I missing here? What do we got down here? That's what we got, guys. I'll have an SPE cold side pipe for sale. So S&B intake for sale. This will be 11 to 16. And filter was new in September. So it's got about maybe couple thousand miles on it. So yeah, we're gonna keep on trucking along here. And we'll show you taking some of this shit off. Let me see what size it is. I think it's a 10 milli, I think. All right, guys, so where you're at, you're gonna find yourself with a bunch of 10 millis and a bunch of 8 millis over here. So you got all these backing these bolts out, and they're all like the recessed type of bolts. So the ones you'll have fun with is over here for the dipstick tubes. So you got an 8 there, you got a 10 and an 8 back there. You have the ones behind, which are fun to get to, but all doable. So you got 4 on each side. We got this sensor we're retaining up top. We got some other stuff in here. So we're just gonna keep trucking along here, but we're getting there. Almost there. Deep socket, 1/4 inch, ratchet wrench, various tools that we're using here. So yeah. There you have it, guys. This fucking monstrosity of a fucking intake, fucking turbo entabulator, flux capacitor looking thing, and boom. Factory, Fomoco, Garrett GT37 Turdsky. I think we need an SPE one there. I think I should have made them copper too. It's all right, eventually, guys, we will. My metering valve, CP3 pump, we're gonna have to upgrade all this stuff. The good thing is everything's pretty easy accessible now. So yeah, lots of 8s, 10s, 12s. 112 guys, but a lot of 8s and 10s. Take the sensor out on the top. Yeah, we're looking like a clean valley now. Nice. All right, so we got the 5mm Allens. We got the bracket for the dipstick tubes. You can cut in there if you want. It's optional. I think my blue truck I cut. We'll try not to on this one. And you got your gaskets. Factory gaskets. Remove these off here, the manifold. If they're bad, replace, but these are good. Map sensor, 7mm bolt. Don't forget about that. Yeah, we're gonna put this bad Larry Hoover on now. All right, guys, good old nitrous carbide fucking Scalzall blade, the snappy little hacksaw. They say it's optional if you want to cut this bracket off. I know on the blue truck I did it for your oil tube. Where's it at? Right here. Just cut a little sliver off. It likes to rub up there, so gang, we cut it off. Put some rags down, cover everything up. We're gonna continue installing these 5mm Allens. All right, guys, this is the mock fit of the century of copper. Gang. So, where's my light at? It's in my pocket, guys. Back here, that bracket, you reuse the 8mm to bolt the tubes together. Could be a bitch sometimes, just be careful doing that. We did cut off right here on that bracket because it likes to rub against the Y-pipe, so yeah. All these are torqued down with some Ugga Duggas, 5mm. And we're kind of just mocking up right now. I'm gonna clean this engine bay too, really good. And hot side, cold side, and yeah. We're just mocking this intake up right now. Looking like a sweat box. Man, those coppers look like 2 different fucking colors on camera. Paint to match. SPE. Intake? What do we think, guys? Now, guys, hear me out. This is a 11 to 16 intake on a 17 to 19. So, what I did was S&B intake, right? Right here, right yonder. They give you the whole shebang. You get the battery relocator. You put it in the back instead of having it in the front. I'm like, well, you know, I like how it's in the front like this, like it should be. And I want to throw an 11 to 16 intake on my 17 and 19. So obviously, I'm keeping my battery tray over here, everything relocated. And boom, SPE, color matched. First of its kind? I don't know. Man, dude, that powder coat is bothering me. It looks gold. It looks gold. But anyway, guys, it's all right. First open intake, guys. I've never owned one before. Ray, if you watch this, man, I'm sure you're gonna love this shit, but we're breathing in hot air, baby. Hot, clean air. So, guys, now we just got basically cold side pipe and blowing the hot side pipe back on and tightening everything down. Pretty simple. So, guys, we're going to use my little trick here. Soapy water for these little bastard silicone things. Because it goes away. Don't want to use no WD-4G.
Is it time lapse? Can they hear you?
No, they can hear. This is a normal video. We're just talking. I feel like I shouldn't do time lapses all the time, so I feel like they get boring.
Yeah, then you got audio over them.
Well, not even that, but I put like some generic ass music so I don't get copyrighted. So they don't demonetize my ass off the $6 I make.
Yeah. It's gonna get downtown Pete Brown back on the fucking days.
Yeah, downtown Tommy Brown, if you're watching this, man, what's up? What's poppin'?
You get on the drums.
Dude, you know people didn't believe that I was in a band?
And then you guys could fucking, start making your own music for the YouTube videos.
That would be a good idea.
It's crazy how light this fucking thing is.
Right? What size is that? Oh, I already got it right here.
Oh, that's why it's fucking limited.
Oh, yeah. So we're rocking a 10. Give me a rip. Dave, what the fuck is that? What is it? Our time is up?
Yeah, you just get the fuck out of the shop.
Shop hours are fucking now over. You may fucking please exit. Actually, it's not please exit. It's get the fuck out of the shop right now. Dave, are we gonna fucking explode or something, bud? What, a stopwatch? Yo, hear me out, y'all. Hear me out. Maybe even turn this light off. Oh, it looks a little better with just that light on, but man. Woo, dog. Let me tell you something. Copper SPE battery hold downs, billet. SPE intake. SPE piping kit. Little on the lighter side. It's not me, it's my powder coater. I love you. Washer fluid reservoir cap. Gang. So guys, here you go. So it's not a full install video, but you have the SPE big piping kit on my 2017. And trans copper. Copper here, copper there. Light's hitting it a little weird, but that's all right. Nothing we can do about it. So actually, it's the shop too, man. It's kind of the way this light's hitting down on it. But 11 to 16 intake on my 17. Yeah. What do you guys think? Custom little bolt action down there. Look at that. Custom. Big old SPE, Big Dick Larry Hoover. And guys, that's basically it. I mean, it's not a full install video. If you guys want to see the full install, I have it on my 2015, one of my older videos. This is kind of just like a reference video. Come hang out, see what's going on with Powerstroke And yeah, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Key tips, reservoir, power steering. You got to move that this way. Soapy water for all the hoses. The clamps back yonder. Let me see if I can get in on it. The bracket back there for the dipstick tubes. Be careful. Get that done. Cut this front guy out right there. Cut that. It says it's optional, but I would cut it. Sorry for zooming so much. A lot of 10 millimeters, 8s, 12s, all your general metric sizes, some 7s. Everything's snugged up, tightened up. Look at that. Woo! Chancey, we need a big turbo now, buddy. Emperor kit coming up next. We got room for compounds? Question mark? Yeah, guys. Sweet. this is it. So, full install. I don't know why I keep saying that. Not a full install. I did the full install, but I didn't film all of it. So, SPE intake, full piping kit, copper, copper, copper. It's like a sword dick, can't beat it. Hope y'all like this. Ready to see what's in store next. I got 2 products in my truck right now. One is a brand new one from SPE. There's no video on it. And another one is a product that I've always had, but I'm gonna throw it on this guy right here. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Much appreciated as always. It's like a sword dick, can't beat it. Deuces, y'all. Oh man, the time's changing back too, so I'm gonna be all clapped out tonight, man. Ugh.